In this video, I will show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now to get started with this, I've just got this example spreadsheet that I've made on Google Sheets. So say you've got a Google Sheet and there's values that you want to lock to stop people from maybe changing them. Then to do this, what you want to do is first of all, you want to click onto the cell that you want to lock. So this is a sales report. So what I'm going to do is lock the sales for January, just so that nobody can come in and change the sales for that month. The first thing you're going to want to do is click to select the cell that you want to lock. And once you've done that, you want to come down to the bottom and click onto the sheet that you want to lock, the one that's currently opened. So that's going to be sheet 1. You want to click onto this small arrow next to this. Now, you're going to get this menu come up, and on this menu you want to click on to protect sheet. What that's going to do is open up a window on the right hand side. From here you can enter a description if you want to. So for example, I'm going to call this one January sales, and what's really important is you can see it's currently selected to sheet. You want to change this to range. You can see when we select range that the cell is already marked on here, so B2, which is our sales for January, that's this cell here. Once you've done this, if you click onto set permissions, this is going to open up a window like this. From here, as you can see, there are two options available. You can either show a warning when editing this range. So if you select that option and someone tries to edit it, they're going to get a warning basically before they go ahead and edit it. But to fully lock the cell, you want to select this option which says restrict who can edit this range. And then on the drop down box that appears, you can give this a click and choose whether to set custom. So you can choose certain people to edit this range, or you can just select only you, which means that only yourself will be able to edit this range, and it would be locked so that no one else can edit that range. Once you've done that, come and click on to done at the bottom. As you can see, it says changes saved, and that cell's now going to be locked so that only the person specified can edit that particular cell. Now, if you do want to come back and manage your locked cells at any point, what you want to do is make sure you're clicked onto the sheet down here first of all. Then if you come up to the top and click onto data, and from here, you're going to see an option for protected sheets and ranges. Give that a click. That's going to open back the window on the right hand side. From here, you can add additional sheets or ranges that you want to lock, and you can also edit from here your previously locked cells. So that's how to lock cells in Google Sheets. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.